Ensure your pet's safety and freedom with the best wireless dog fences on the market. These innovative systems provide a secure, invisible boundary for your dog, offering peace of mind without the hassle of traditional fencing. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best wireless dog fences you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The PetSafe Stay and Play wireless dog fence ranks as the number 5 best wireless dog fence, offering a practical and effective solution to keep your pet safe. Designed for simplicity, it sets up within 1 to 2 hours and provides a circular boundary covering up to 3/4 acre. This system requires no digging or wire burying, making installation hassle-free. Unlike other wireless fences with unreliable boundaries, the Stay and Play ensures your dog won't receive a correction inside your home. It also features a static-free re-entry, allowing your pet to return home without punishment if they cross the boundary. The circular boundary gently guides your dog back to the play area. Ideal for travel, the portable system is perfect for camping or vacation homes, needing only an outlet to function. The waterproof collar fits neck sizes from 6 to 28 inches, suitable for pets weighing 5 pounds and up. It boasts a long battery life, lasting up to 2 months, available at $299 US. The SportDOG brand wireless dog fence is a top-tier containment and training solution, ranking 4th among the best wireless dog fences. This kit is designed for easy installation, covering up to 1/3 of acres for a single dog, and can be expanded to cover up to 100 acres with additional wire and flags. It offers 3 modes of operation. The collar can be used with the fence boundary, the handheld remote, or both, giving you flexibility in training and containment. You can contain an unlimited number of dogs with additional collars and train up to 3 dogs simultaneously using the included remote. The system offers multiple training modes, a tone, vibration, and 7 levels of static stimulation, ensuring effective training tailored to your dog's needs. Safety is a priority with features like a wire break alarm and a built-in lightning protector for the transmitter. The product also comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer care from a US-based support center. Priced at $469 US. The SpotOn GPS dog fence is lauded as the 3rd best wireless dog fence, offering unmatched accuracy and reliability. This innovative collar connects to 128 satellites, enabling precise boundary creation even in dense woods. Unique in its class, it employs a dual-feed GPS antenna and true location technology, ensuring 25 hours of battery life. Setup is straightforward and requires no subscription. Manage your GPS fence effortlessly from your smartphone using the SpotOn app, which also allows for custom feedback to train your dog. With no need for hardware, base stations, or buried wires, it's perfect for hassle-free installation. The collar is available in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. SpotOn's travel-friendly design allows for unlimited, customizable virtual fences of any shape or size without acreage limits. The system supports overlapping fences, off-limits areas, and correction-free zones. For real-time tracking and enhanced features, an optional subscription provides alerts, low battery notifications, and escape reports. This waterproof GPS collar rated IP67 is built to withstand rain, snow, and swimming, making it ideal for diverse terrains. It features 2 alert tones and 30 levels of static correction and vibration to ensure your pet's safety. Priced at $899 US. The PetSafe Guardian GPS Plus Tracking Dog Fence Collar is an innovative solution for pet owners seeking the ultimate in canine safety and tracking. Ranked as the number 2 best wireless dog fence, this collar is powered by patented AccuGuard technology. By combining GPS data, real-time motion detection, and AI, it offers unparalleled protection for your dog. To utilize this advanced tracking system, a subscription is required, similar to a phone plan, with options for monthly or annual payments. This ensures you have the most accurate tracking available, allowing you to monitor your dog's location anywhere, anytime. The collar allows you to create and save up to 20 custom virtual fences, perfect for keeping your dog safe, whether at home or traveling, especially on properties larger than 3/4 acre. With easy setup and training materials included, you can have the system up and running in just an hour. Priced at $490. The Halo Collar 3 is heralded as the top wireless dog fence on the market, boasting unmatched accuracy with its GPS tracking. Utilizing precision GPS AI software, it directly engages with GPS satellites, filtering out false data for precise location tracking, even in areas with poor reception. To access the Halo Collar 3's GPS and cellular services, a pack membership plan is required, with plans starting at $9 per month. This allows you to create, edit, and utilize wireless dog fences directly from your smartphone. The collar ensures your dog's safety by keeping them within predefined boundaries, unlike other systems that only alert you after an escape. Real-time tracking provides continuous updates on your dog's location, activity, and resting times, setting it apart from standard training collars. Setting up the Halo Collar 3 is straightforward with the Halo app, which offers video tutorials for easy installation and use. You can also customize the feedback, sound, vibration, or static for training purposes, with guidance from Cesar Millan. Designed for dogs weighing 20 pounds and up, the Halo Collar 3 is available for $599. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.